What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the next video in learning PHP. My name is QDS Danny and you guys watching my channel Croywood. Okay, so we have done in the previous video we have done our layout for the index, and you can see that we have done in the last video we have done our dashboard. So you can see, or you can put all the details here, and there is a friend request here and add friends here and your friends, and you guys can put a post here. So it looks like we have two forms. Keep in mind we have a profile as well, and our profile is totally empty. Once we get to the uploading, and I'm going to show you guys how you got to upload your file and upload your wallpaper, so you can put your wallpaper here. Alright, so in this video we're going to show you guys, I'm going to show you guys how you guys gonna put all your forms plus your checkboxes, and you're gonna register to the dashboard, because our forms here, it's inside the index. If you look at here, it says that action is dashboard. So, and in the future videos I'm going to show you guys how you guys gonna say the forms gonna process in the form itself instead of action if you going to the next. So this actions for PHP means that PHP is asking you where you guys want to submit the form. So you guys going through train station, as I said, to our railway station, our you guys going to say train, our airplane, or anywhere else in the office or clerk. You guys want to go for a doctor. The first thing, if they don't know you, they're going to give you some sort of form to fill in your credential, your first name, last name, date of birth, your all whatever is information, your security card number, our national ID card number, whatever, because they want to identify who are you, and they want to register you in their system. So that's exactly we work. We have a form here. We register the forms. We can't just let anyone come in inside our website at the moment, because we can get in and out, because that's our website, our building is under construction. So anyone can come in and go, and the only person can come and go in ourselves, because we are making this building. Say because we are the builders, and we are building this website. We can get in and out. We want to do whatever we want to do, and we're going to create all the profile, everything's in the future videos. Okay, so, and keep in mind you guys need to put a gatekeeper here. So as a PHP programmer, you guys make sure you guys filter everything. You guys filter this one, you guys filter this one, you guys filter this one, filter whatever the user put. And keep in mind, not everyone's innocent visiting your websites, and it's going to be security experts going to check your websites, it's going to be hackers going to check your website, it's going to be all sorts of people, and I guarantee you it's going to be the world's top hackers also going to test your websites, whether it's got vulnerabilities, and it's going to, if they find anything, they're going to use it against your website. So keep in mind when you guys, because if the reason you guys learning as a PHP programmer, and you guys going to be security conscious, and by security I means you guys need to have a strict security in place, so for your website to protect it against anyone. And we're going to go through that one in the future videos, but at the moment you guys need to understand the form, so how the form works. And this form, say that it takes us to dashboard, but there is another form here which we say post. There's a post here, and this form's not going anywhere, because this form, if you look in here inside the, if you press this one, you're not going anywhere, you're not directing anywhere, because this forms is the action says you're not going to take you anywhere. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go in the index, and we're going to type all the PHP Super Globals. And I think we went to the PHP Super Globals before. So PHP Super Globals. Okay, so what is PHP Super Globals? I'm gonna type you guys the most frequent PHP Super Globals that we're gonna use. The first one we already know it's gonna be post. You guys should already know this one. So, and inside here is gonna be the var, our variable. You guys can put your variable here. And the second one that I have already explained to you guys, that was the get. So you should be now very familiar with the get, how the get works. And another one that we are gonna explain in the next video is gonna be server. this keep in mind, these are the one of the most used used super globals in every website. So, and then we're gonna discuss about to you guys about the session, and then we're gonna go on the cookie, and then we're gonna go on the files. Okay, so we have a post. You guys already should familiar with the post because we have used the post here, and we're gonna use again post. So you guys should already know because we're gonna get the first name. We are posting that one, and then you guys gonna get. Get is like you guys sending email. When you guys press send, it means you guys posting, but the other, your friend or your colleagues receiving the other end, it means that person's gonna get it. So this is called get. Server, we're gonna explain to you guys what is server. Then we're gonna go on session, then we're gonna go cookies, and then we're gonna go on files. Files means we're gonna upload the images. So keep in mind with the files, you guys upload images, your wallpapers, whatever you guys manipulate image. You guys can put it say put a different color on the image. You guys put a thumbnail. You guys can upload videos. You guys can do anything with the file. So file means anything, and you guys can put extension JPG or JPEG or PNG, or you guys can put a MP3, MP4, whatever you guys want to put. That's called comes into file. There is another two which there is a super global. The first one's going to be env, environment, env, and there is another one going to be request. So request, so I just let you guys know we're going to use this ones. We're going to use request too, but it used to be in the past, but because there is a little bit weakness now with the PHP comes in, new PHP, and a lot of hackers found weakness in this one. So I'm gonna encourage you, I'm gonna tell you guys, so you guys stay away, or you guys use this one request as little as possible, but I'm gonna explain to you guys how. But we're gonna mainly use this one because when you guys use request, you guys don't know if it's a post or get, because with the request you guys can get anything in, if you guys can get a cookies with the request. So that's what with the request, you don't know where the data is coming from. You don't know if the data is coming from the post or get or even cookies. So keep in mind, this is the one with the request, but it makes the code a lot easier, but it's up to you guys. You guys want to use it, and I'm going to show you guys in the future videos how we're going to use this one, and all the bits and pieces. We're going to go through these ones as well. So we're going to go through all of these. So in one website you're going to use all. In the websites you're going to use your post, which is the user's going to do the post here, and if you guys look at here, that's our that we will type here our variables here, super globals. So in one website you guys going to do the post, and then when you register you guys can do your get, because you guys going to get friend request, that's a get, add friends, that's a get as well, and your friend, that's a get, because you're going to get it from the database. So, and when you guys go on a profile, when you guys upload a photo, that's a post, and that's a files. All right, so we're gonna come today, and I'm gonna show you how we're gonna put all our details, and we're gonna put it in our say when we put this one, we're gonna move all our details here. So first, to begin with, we're gonna go and look after this guy, the big guy here, welcome to our website, and we're gonna make it smaller. So when you guys go on a dashboard, and where it says welcome to our website, which is h2, and you guys can just put a welcome. You don't need to put this to, and this very long, you guys can put a say h3. So we are just a greeting, and you can look at here, hi, good morning. Then we're going to use the first name, last name, then we're going to use the say the your favorite sport, and your gender, male, female. So keep in mind, once we started, then we're going to go on profile, and I'm going to show you all the inputs, how many forms we can types and styles of the forms we can use, and we can get it from the user. All right, so first things first, we're going to come here, and we're going to see our index, and then we're going to see our, say we have a first name. We can get a first name because we have put process the first name here, you guys can copy this and you guys can put your last name as well. So if you put it here, so you can put it first name and you're going to put it last name, and it's going to be last name, and you can use this user because you're going to put an F first, or you guys can put it as a variable first, and you can do your first, and this one's going to be the last, and this one's going to be last. Alright, so now you have your first name and last name. So we're going to come here and you can put your first as a variable, and you can put your concatenation here. Just put just put a space for the first, for the name of the user, and you can put your variable which is going to be the last, and we're going to come here. We're going to see that our first name and the last name, there is a two variable here, and we have already processed the two variable. It's going to be the last name, this is going to be the first name. Keep in mind in PHP we targeting the name of this one, the last name here, and when we're going to come here and we're going to see the first and last. Hi, good morning. Hi, you can remove this one, this, and hi, just greeting. Hi, welcome, whatever. You can remove the welcome from here, and you can put this one, hi, welcome. You can put a nice greeting here, and we're gonna go for see for errors. We're gonna come here. Keep in mind, I'm gonna put it here so you guys go to familiarize yourself with the global variables here. So I'm gonna put it here, but as I said, we're gonna use all this, and I'm gonna explain this too as well. So we put a QD, and you're gonna see that's my trademark. So yes, Dani, that's also my trademark. So you're gonna see that hi, welcome, and you're gonna see QD as Dani because we put it in strong. So you guys gonna see it looks cool because it looks personal, because you guys addressing the user straight away.